Why, hello there. This is your astrological forecast for Thursday, October the 7th, with Venus going into Sagittarius. Venus will stay in Sagittarius until November 6th. Before we talk about this wonderful energy, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third deep cleansing breath. We release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity. We see it all flowing out of our bodies and flowing away. In its place, we see ourselves being filled by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire bodies with white light, but then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. Now, this white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. And this white light in this white light bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We are going to say the Sun in Libra affirmation, and we are going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation together. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Yay, yay, good work, good work. Well, I don't know if you watched yesterday, but yesterday we had the new moon in Libra, all about the relationship, healing it, a new relationship, coming into a new relationship on a more evolved, mature level than we had the previous time, not defaulting back to old emotions, but coming in and being present to any new relationships. Well, today, Venus goes into Sagittarius, and she stays in Sagittarius until November 6th. Venus and Sagittarius. It's all about being in love with being in love. So, Sagittarius is very expansive, right? So we want to experience new relationships. We want to experience a lot of relationships. We want to socialize. We want to mingle. We want to make new friends. So we want to go out on the town. And we, like I said, we're just in love with being in love. So not necessarily starting a life partnership or a committed relationship. If we're single, we might just go and play the field a little bit and discover new kinds of relationships, different, unique, I don't know. It's all about experiencing and expanding our experience. Now, you can feel the energy, right? So what happens is it can get overdone because Sagittarian energy, it can get overdone fairly easily. So, we don't want to go out there and just, have one night stands the whole time that Venus is in Sagittarius. And we don't want to go out and just go out to the nightclubs and to the bars every single night so we can hang out. That's, again, overdoing it. We have to remember to discipline ourselves. Remember that this is a very expansive, generous energy. Oh, yeah, forgot about generous. So, if we are in a relationship or we're developing a relationship, we want to show our appreciation. We want to do things for the other. We want to give them nice gifts, or even better, do a nice service for them, like clean the car for your significant other, or cut the grass, or something like that. So great energy as long as we don't overdo it. I mean, like I said, it's very easy to overdo this energy. So just be careful because it is wonderful. Now remember, Mercury is still retrograde until October the 18th. So look for, like, if we're going out with our friends and we have all these big plans and we're all excited to go, there might be a glitch. Something might happen and we might have to change venues or change dates, or somebody forgot to call and make the reservations. Be aware of that so we can be forgiving if that happens. And just like, there's Mercury retrograde, find the humor. So anyway, enjoy this. Have a lot of fun. Make new friends. Like I said, join new groups that reflect your interests. And it's a great time to just expand that social circle of ours. But I can't forget to mention today, kind of forgot yesterday because I was so excited about the new moon in Libra and Pluto being direct. I forgot to mention that yesterday we could work with that new idea if we were disciplined and confident and focused. Today, no forward progress today. Don't even try it. The energy is not there for it. We are going to get a kickback. We might get our feelings hurt. We might get some input that we don't want to hear. So again, put whatever we've been working on, even if, it could be that new relationship, even with the new moon in Libra yesterday. Mercury's still retrograde, so maybe they didn't get our message, or they're not answering they're not answering the cell phone message. I just happened to think another great Mercury retrograde story. Facebook going down. Is that so perfectly Mercury retrograde or what? Find the humor in that. That's my link to my work. So it was kind of interesting. That's another great Mercury retrograde story. So don't try to promote that idea today. Put it on the back burner. Work on developing that new relationship, or working with the current relationship that we have. Enjoy going out and meeting our friends. And Sagittarius, we want to go outside and do stuff too. That Venus in Sagittarius, go on a group hike, group camping trip, go to the beach, anything, go to the mountains. That Venus and Sagittarius wants to get outdoors and enjoy nature too. So don't forget that. I'm babbling way too much. I just want to keep talking because Sagittarius is my energy. I know all about it. I know all about the excess, taking it too far. Very good at that. With that idea, if a little is good, a lot's got to be really frickin' fantastic, right? Okay. What is the advice for this Thursday? Venus in Sagittarius. Ooh, heal the ouch. Probably left over from yesterday. Storm fields. Coming to life. Okay, so this is held over from yesterday with this new moon in Libra. We're still working with that energy, and the sun is still in Libra as well. And this is a week of healing the wounds, the ouch. If we have hurt someone else, whether intentionally or not, Spirit is saying, hey, this is the time to heal it and ask for forgiveness. Some of us are going to be facing some challenges today, especially in our relationships. We may experience something unexpected that forces us to take another look at our relationship to see what we need to either heal it, evolve it, transform it, or maybe even let it go. So be aware of the storm fields, and remember, if this happens to us today, if we have a blow up with our significant other, or maybe the boss at work gets real cranky and crackety, let it go. Remember that the energy is a little discordant today, so we're going to step back. We're going to try to, if we have to participate, we're going to just be objective, honor the other person, and as quietly as we can back out of it. Or it may be such a blow up that we may have to walk away from that relationship, whatever it is. We'll know if it happens. And as far as that relationship, if we have to let it go, or that new relationship that we're working on, or that project, idea, strategy, proposal, folks, it's coming to life. It's coming to life slowly and surely. We've been working on it for weeks, and it's coming and it's going. Today is not a day to promote it, but it's still, we are moving in the right direction. So we have to kind of work with this Mercury retrograde and find our way through it to promote our idea or get our proposal accepted. But we can do it because we know the energies and we're consciously working with them. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. If you like what you see on the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And give me some comments. Let me know what's going on. Let me know how your Mercury retrograde is going. I do love to read the comments, and I do learn and grow from them. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Happy Thursday. Happy Venus in Sagittarius. Make new friends. Namaste.